In this video, I will show you how to build a bed in Lego Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and build a bed, the first thing you're going to want to do is build a shack, so some kind of accommodation. So if you actually go ahead and open up the build menu, and at the top you want to come across to the builds section. Now from here I'm just going to go ahead and build a simple shack. So what you want to do is build this first. So you just want to go ahead and start building up your shack. So you just want to build the walls and things like that, just like so, and once that's done you'll be able to go ahead and build your bed. So here we are, I'm just putting the final roof piece onto my shack. As you can see, the shack is now completed. So once that's done, we can go ahead and build our bed to go into this shack. So you just want to go ahead and open up the build menu, and this time at the top you want to come across to the furniture section. Now underneath furniture you can see you've got a section for beds, so you can choose what kind of bed you want. I'm just going to go ahead and put a simple bed in, so you just want to go ahead and select it. Then go ahead and proceed to build your bed inside the shack. Now what you can do is assign this bed to either yourself or one of your villagers if you're in a village. So I've actually just gone ahead and assigned this to one of my villagers. I've actually got my own bed over here, so if you wanted to assign your own bed you can do. And then what you can do is rest in your bed by going up to here and interacting with the bed. When you rest in your bed you will regain your hearts in the top left hand corner. So that is how to go ahead and build a bed in Lego Fortnite. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.